Hello and welcome to another Bodgit and Leggit video. Now unfortunately this has come to an end. It's difficult to do this video. The virus hasn't helped, but also my landlord, I've been here for 10 years basically, and my landlord has decided to do other things with the place, which is fair enough, but I've only got a few weeks to move out, which is very, very difficult to try and move this place in a couple of weeks, to try and find a place, especially with the problems we're having at the minute, and to try and move my business. It's just, yeah, I really don't know what to do or say. To try and start up in a new place now is just not looking very likely, unfortunately, because the startup cost and all that sort of stuff, and the hit I've taken over this virus has just basically wiped me out. So yeah, I really don't know what I'm going to do. I've still got lots of other videos done, but I don't know what I'm going to do kind of from now on. So yeah, you know, it's not a problem, you can just move. I live in a very, very small town. I mean, only a couple of hundred people in this town. I've been here 10 years and, you know, I've kind of built up a reputation here. The problem is with moving now to another place is it's not just a simple case of moving, because it's going to take at least a year for me to recover and for most businesses to recover, and the money I have to put down to find a new place and then try and stay there for a year with not a lot of work, it's just not really gonna work out for me, unfortunately. So don't know what I'm going to do. Maybe do mobile stuff or something along them lines. I'm just not 100% sure yet. It's going to be awkward, but it's not just a simple case of I've been wiped out because of the virus. So to try and start again, and all the money you have to put down and then wait months and months for the business to pick back up, it's not going to be easy. It's not going to be easy. I'm not 100% sure yet what I'm going to do. Right, so see this wall here? Right behind this wall is a load of cows, and that is a slurry tank, so literally full of shit. That's true. So we've got a little Massey Ferguson tractor in here. We've got no door, and we've got no side of the shed. But still, look at it. It's actually drier than my old place, even though it hasn't got a wall on it and it hasn't got a door on it. And yeah, literally we have friends right behind here. We have a load of cows. Still needs cleaning up, as you can see, but we've got a place, people. How cool is that? And that's a bird walking along the roof over there. Right, as you can see, everybody, we're getting there. We're getting stuff done and stuff is coming in. But yes, we still have absolutely no doors, no nothing. Jack's here helping me. As you can see, we're out to the elements. So here we go. We're moving in. Right, we're at the new shed cleaning up, and Jack thought it was a good idea to put a cable tie on himself and try and break out. Now, I've already done it twice, as you can see from how red my hands are. And you can just see the marks on here. And this is what I did. So broke the middle of the cable tie out. Sean wanted to do it. Well, actually, no, sorry. Jack actually wanted to do it. And then Sean kind of got roped in. So go on, Jack. Jack's been trying for the last 10 minutes. Look how red his hands have gone. Look how red, or how blue, should I say, they've gone. So go on, Jack. Oh. Sean's trying another way. Go on.
I'm going to lose circulation in my hands. Yeah, okay.
Go on.
I can't.
Go on.
I literally can't even move my hands. Yeah.
Why did you think this was a good idea?
I didn't know they were the strongest cable ties. I knew the biggest didn't know that they're strongest.
But I got out of two of them.
You're stronger though.
It's not about strength.
I can't even move my hands anymore.
Like, two more times quickly and I'll release you with the good knife.
The good knife.
Go on, Sean, twice. Really go for it. Go on, really. As you're doing it, pull your hands this way. So you pull your hands both out.
Oh, I tried that and it didn't help. It just hurt.
Well, I told you it was going to hurt. Actually, so before anyone actually says anything, Jack put that cable tie on himself. I didn't go anywhere near him. Right, so don't blame me for this. One more time.
Well, so when I come down...
As you come down, lift your hands out that way and kind of hit your stomach, so you kind of bend them around your stomach. Oh. Last time, Sean.
I can't.
Last time.
Pass it to safety. Straight out.
Yeah, straight out, and take your elbows out as well. So your elbows come out that way, yeah, and you come down at the same time. As hard and as fast as you can. That's what she said.
Smaller cable ties.
That's what she said.
No.
Am I touching you now, huh? Keep your hands straight, because I'm trying to hold the camera and do this at the same time. It's not the best idea.
I literally can't even move my
Yeah,
hands.
Sean, you just hold the camera.
I don't think you can.
Just hold it there.
Hands literally go.
Right, now you'll be able to do it.
Right, so.
I mean, it's a tiny little bit left now. Go on.
There you go.
Hold that. So is your hands.
Oh, Jesus.
No.
Oh, wow.
Just cut Sean's.
If Sean can't do it like this, I'm going to be very surprised.
I can't even move my hands anymore.
And he's put it so close, I can't even cut the bloody thing.
I told you, my hands are gone numb from the tightness because I tightened it again after it was put on
It's
the
not that you
first time.
I can't cut this. I actually can't cut it without cutting you. Try that now. I've split it a bit. I will actually cut you.
Hey, Sean,
No, it should be quite easy now. Go on.
Oh.
No, don't. Just try and put your hands down at the same time.
Sean, go super slow.
Go on.
It's going to hurt like.
I know it is, but
Yeah.
you've put it too. I can't cut it.
Cut it there at the middle.
Go on, just try it, and then I'll cut it even more if it moves. Hold that, Jack.
Oop, fingers in the way of the camera. Should probably move the old hand.
I'm gonna cut you. This is ridiculous. I'm gonna cut you. You say that, I get the old artery in mind. Right, now you can. Seriously.
Oh, Sean, if you don't get it this time.
You're gonna have to go for it because I can't do any more than that without cutting you. There we go. Show us your wrists. Your tits, both of you. I just have to say a really, really, really big thank you for everyone's support. All the messages and absolutely everything. It's been really, really humbling and absolutely awesome. There's a lot of messages I haven't got to, you know, people leaving me comments, but I will try and get to as many as I can. But I just have to say a big thank you to everyone. We're kind of back. We're still going to be a couple of weeks, you know, maybe a month or so sorting out. And then it's going to still take a few months to, you know, all this crap to be over. But we've got a place, we've got a roof, and it's absolutely... well, it's brilliant because a few weeks ago I had nothing. So people, thank you so much. It's been really nice. All your support, all your messages, everything. I really, really appreciate it. And stay tuned for some more videos. Sorted. But as always, don't forget, get your hands dirty. See you for the next one. Sorted.